pala ng mga social climber today, ha? Who are we climbing? Is it a man? Ano pang comeback, no? May hater tayo. I love it. Thank you. Ang boring ng night namin ngayon, eh.
Social climber.
Social climber daw tayo. No, don't give your cheater boyfriend another chance. We don't give second chances to people who don't deserve it. Thank you. Don't give a chance. Saw in person, kaya sana kita kasi baka bigla mo akong sampalin.
Totoo.
Totoo naman. Sasampalin talaga kita.